This is the basic Luxor King Pyramid room. Basic probably being the word. Some of the furnishings quite dated. Still got the big flat screen. Space where the refrigerator used to be is no longer. Ice bucket, there's no other amenities, no coffee machine, anything like that. Closet with ironing board. Classic and famous sloped pyramid roof, as you can see there. We're on the 8th floor here at Luxor, so view isn't great. We've got Mandalay Bay, we're facing that direction. Delano, or the W after the rebrand. Desk, phone, king bed. Take you into the bathroom now. Single basin, noisy fan. And enclosed shower, which is nice. That does look refurbed. And we've got a communal body wash shampoo. So as we say, there's the basic King Pyramid room here at Luxor.